Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Claude AI as an extension in the Chrome app. Okay, first you gotta have your Google Chrome opened and then go to extension. It's this icon next to your profile. Then go to Manage Extensions and on the left side select Discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store. Open it up and now in the search box simply type Claude AI, enter, and in here we have our Claude. You just gotta click on that and in here you'll have a button Add Extension. Then you can click on this icon, you'll have the Claude right in here and you just gotta log in and you'll be able to use it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.